Hello, everyone! This song was requested by our five-year patron who has supported us before. So, thank you so much. We hope this helps and have a great day ahead.
Well done, you reached the end of the tutorial. If you find what we do here is helpful, do like, comment, subscribe, and let us know what is the next song you would like to learn. Thank you.